In this video, we're going to walk you through how to winterize the Pando 2.0. Now, this is one of the most important things you need to take care of every year before those temperatures drop below the freezing level. So, let's walk through all the steps and get you all set for those colder months. Step 1 is to drain all the fresh water out of both tanks. If you did not get the optional second tank, then you only have the one tank to drain. So, remove the cap, and then you're going to turn the T valve to start draining the tank. And simply just let the tank completely drain until it's no longer flowing, and you're good to go. Step 2. Now that your freshwater tanks are empty, you'll need to drain any water left in the hot water heater by removing the drain plug located underneath. One thing to remember is that this drain plug is under pressure, so to release the pressure, simply open up the hot water tank before moving forward. At this point, all of your fresh water has been drained from the water tanks and the water heater. You can leave the dump valves on the freshwater tanks in the open position for now, but you'll need to replace the drain plug in the water heater. Step 3. Now we are ready to flush the entire water system with non-toxic RV antifreeze. You can purchase RV antifreeze at most big box retail stores, RV dealerships, or online. First, you need to turn the bypass valve so the water pump will pull from the winterizing hose and not the freshwater tanks. Insert the winterizing hose into the container of RV antifreeze and turn the pump on to pressurize the system. Next, you're going to open each faucet one at a time. We'll start with the galley sink and slowly run the sink until the antifreeze begins to flow out of the faucet. Next, we'll do the same thing with the shower head until we see the pink fluid. Step 4. Turn the pump off and open all taps to relieve pressure. Leave all the taps in the open position at this point. Step 5. Go back and remove the hot water drain plug for the winter. Make sure to leave this in a box so you know exactly where it is when it's time to put it back in. Step 6. Close the dump valves and switch the winterizing bypass valve back to the operating position. Step 7. A few extra things we recommend that you do to your trailer is 1. Lift the mattress up slightly to allow circulation of air beneath it. 2. Ensure that all your windows and vents are closed. 3. Cover the trailer to protect the unit from ice formation. We don't recommend using tarps or materials that do not allow moisture to escape, as moisture may build up under the cover. And 4. Periodically check unit for snow load and remove excess amounts. And that's it. The trailer is winterized and ready for those colder months. When you're ready to fill it back up with water in springtime, make sure to watch our video on how to de-winterize the trailer. Thank you for watching, and get out there and go camping.